Niagara Falls is absolutely amazing. It's one of the most incredible places you'll ever see on the planet. I mean, it truly is. It's absolutely incredible. It's awe-inspiring. And we've come to Niagara Falls today to make a point. And that point is this. We live in Dallas, Texas. Niagara Falls is a long ways away. And it's not our first time to come to Niagara Falls, but we came here today because we can. We drove across America because we can, because this is one of my favorite spots on earth. Now, how many places are there that you want to go that you haven't been and you just don't know that you're ever going to get there? Perhaps this is one of those places. You know, you can't see how magnificent and gigantic it is because of all the mist. You know, it's just amazing. We've come here to make a point, and that point is real simple. We'd love to help you live a better life. We've been blessed with the gift of time, the gift of freedom, and we would love to give you that gift. The gift of time and the gift of freedom can be yours. Go to the website, get more information.